all day, every day, every day. We was on that block until we made a way, day to day. Man, that's the only way, only way. They gon' know my name until it fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away.
Alright guys, we're here at Mike's and it's a little too muddy to ride the ramps. So Connor's here, we gotta have a little bit of fun. So I have the mobile lander. We're gonna unfold it, set it all up. We're gonna take that green mat that we got from his house and see if we can't make a slide out of it. So see how it goes.
Oh, this might work. Oh!
Alright guys, this is the FMX lander. It's a mobile lander that we use for shows that don't have like dirt or can't bring anything in, or if we have to do a show in a parking lot. We'll take this out and we'll fold it out and lift it up and we'll jump the dirt bikes to that. Today, since it's too wet to jump dirt bikes, we're sliding down that green runway that I got from Curry's house. And just to add a little bit of speed, I'm going to use the banner that we usually hang off the side of it to put like sponsors and stuff. I'm going to keep it rolled up and I'm going to sit on that and slide down it and see how it works.
I say we get blanket.
Well, that worked like a screen door on a submarine. All right. Got a True MX banner. It's a little different texture, so we'll see if it slides. Ooh. All right, that was a little bit better, but it's still, that worked like a lead balloon. So maybe add water. See if Connor can do it. I don't think he weighs enough. Well, that worked, but I don't think it was fast enough. So we're gonna try this 5-gallon bucket of water with some car wax in it to see if we can add to the speed a little. Dude, I launched into the tree. Kellen, that was awesome. All right, we found our fun for Saturday.
Level it out.
How don't that hurt?
That you're just going so fast it don't.
We need to level it out.
You level it out, you'll get more speed and go farther.
Well, someone's got to help me because I can't lift these by myself.
Far.
All right, we're gonna level out the bottom because they won't do it until we do.
Oh.
Kellen, high five my finger. There you go. Count 3. Yeah, hang on to the.
That's so fun!
Oh, who was right?
Put more water on it.
No.
Who said it wouldn't work? We need to take Beefy down it.
Yeah, go get him.
Work?
You're going next.
Alright guys, that was really fun. We are at Kellen's now. We're going to get all cleaned up, maybe go see a movie or out to eat or something, and then tomorrow got a big surprise. During the little slip and slide thing that we had going, Chase Gilroy called me just out of the blue and basically asked if we wanted to come hang out at his house tomorrow. Yeah, so we plan on going to Chase's tomorrow. Hopefully. And as long as everything goes well. Be sure to tune in tomorrow because, I mean, like I said, we're going to be at Chase's house. Connor's been watching Chase's stuff and Roman, so he's a little excited about going over there. So alright, so I'm gonna leave it here for you guys, and make sure you tune in tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.